you getting? So your data node are checking that where exactly your main data is stored and which machine. Are you getting? Now after normal data node is what? So data node is like a workers that actually store the data in the blocks. Okay, means whenever you're storing, this is your data node are helping to the figure out that where is the data, and this your data node means actually the worker who are storing the data in that block. Okay, now third is the secondary name node. Means first node you are understand, secondary name node means what? Help which checkpoints helps with a checkpoints, means what happen, not a backup, just help to the keep a metadata update. Okay, now after that in real world what happened, think about your library. Okay, the library means what? Name node. Are you getting? Means library was name node. What is that? Know which self contain which book, isn't it? And your sale your sales is what? It's like the data nodes actually the whole to the data book, isn't it? So even if the shelf is a broke, copies of the some books are on the other slab or other shelves, isn't it? So that is exactly I want to mean. Okay, right now what happened, we will be taking input and output also, and we will be a store the data. Okay, I would you like, you can pause the over here little bit and read the things. I want to go with the little bit practical. Okay, over here what I said, you are map reducing, this is the third one, isn't it? Second one, map reducing features means what? Map reducing is the Hadoop processing engine. It is the process a large data set in the parallel using to the map reduce. I said that map phase means what? A break input into the smaller chunk file. Okay, like suppose I have to the this input is available. Hadoop is the fast, Hadoop is the powerful. Now what happened? Hadoop and over here Hadoop. See, Hadoop first is what? Output. Hadoop one is one, fast one, then Hadoop one is one and powerful one. Okay, now when it's a phase done, it will be shuffled and sort that. If you are sorting, then what happened? Hadoop, you have the two eyes. Are you getting or not? Okay, then is also you have with the two eyes. Okay, and fast you have the one time, and powerful you have to the one time. Just I explained that all theory, same theory is present over here. That's why how exactly means this is the way of your Hadoop map reducing is work. Okay, then after over here this is the reduce phase, which one we can able to see over here. Okay, now after that your map reducing, there are input and output are sections are there, which one you can read properly, you can pause to, and you can do the theory. Right now let's concentrate over here. Okay, let's concentrate to the over here your proper practical. Okay, so I already started your practical properly. Okay, I already put it in this file also little bit stuff, like see the Hadoop distribution file system, the thing about to the HDFS as a specific file system or the big data, your normal computer file system, like we are. Okay, sorry for the disturbance, just little bit right now the light is fluctuated, that's why I want to be go back again. Okay, so obviously the Hadoop distribution file system is like, think about that HDFS as the special file system where we have the big data. Which one is data means your normal computer can having to the system, that is called NTFS for Windows purpose, which one you have to the data and storage, right? So what happened, this your NTFS, which one system you have inside of your computer, it cannot able to handle the large quantity of data, right? So that's why HDFS is designed to store the very large file by the splitting them into the blocks and distribute them across the multiple machines. Are you getting or not? So key point of what, you will be a block store, then it will be a replica, it will be making as a replication, master slave, as a master slaves are there, which one are working for you. After later you will be accessing to their data. Right now without any waste of the delay. Okay, define again I want to be discuss about over here the thing also. Okay, there are a lot of things are present. Okay, let's go to the practical, because I think so right now you're understanding this is the lot of theories are present, how we can do that, isn't it? It is look little bit difficult, isn't it? So let me do a practical wise why I teach a little bit theory, because if suppose I'm writing command, you need to understand why I'm writing that command. Okay, so before that we are starting, make sure that you are already watching my previous video, you have installed inside of your Hadoop and your JDK, isn't it that all are important? Right now, whenever you starting to the practical, go to the over here search engine and search over here your CMD. CMD means what? Command prompt. Okay, because we are writing our all command inside of that. Okay, so let me open that. After later, when you open your CMD is look like this way. Okay, let me zoom it little bit. Now see, I am right now inside of the Rohit. Before we are starting any practical, first always check your JDK version and check your Hadoop version. So how we can check your JDK version? We need to write one command. That is command is a Java hyphen okay version. Okay, so we will be check your Java version. You can see I have to the Java version which one 1.8.0. Right now check your second. Okay, what we need to be a check and your Hadoop is working or not. So that purpose we need to use to the command Hadoop space after that version. Don't use over here hyphen. Okay, whenever we are checking to the Hadoop version, we are not using to the hyphen in that. So put to the enter button. Right now your Hadoop will be a take a time because we are checking. It will be check your all files and lot of stuff. Okay, so wait little bit. Okay, you can see right now I can able to see to the Hadoop. Okay, and it's properly compiled by to the your Ubuntu. Means what happened, it is properly completed your Hadoop. Means you have to the your Java also, you have to the present Hadoop also properly inside of that. You can see I already wrote it over here. Open CMD, run your Hadoop Java version, run your Hadoop version. After that, format the Hadoop distribution file system before we are starting. First, what is the use of guys HDFS your file Hadoop distribution file system. We need to be a call main your data node, isn't it? Name node means what? It's a master machine, isn't it? So let me write over here HDFS space, after that name node. Are you getting name node? Then after space, after hyphen your format. Are you getting or not? So when you done that means this is the main node, main machine you are going to be launch that. Are you getting? So let's me on my main machine. So it will be take time. I know it's look like a hacking type, but don't worry. What happened, it just what happened, it is just saying that okay, right now you're starting to the name node. Okay, so I'm okay. So is it you want to be a change, missy reformat file in your storage devices? So don't worry, I am not renaming because I want to be use only the Rohit. So I'm saying no, I don't want to be changed that. If you're first time doing, then they will be not asking yes or no. Okay, but before that I am already open my name node, I already have my master machine. So what I'm saying, I don't want to be change my name node, I don't want to be change my main machine. Okay, so no, I don't want. You can see it's right now complete. After when your master name node is on, we need to be a change your directory means what? Right now I am inside of my Rohit folder. This is my main user. Are you getting that? So what happened, I want to go right now inside of Hadoop first. So how I can go to that particular folder? Okay, let me clear that. CD user Rohit means what? I am right now in this position. See, in C drive over here I have to the users, and inside I'm Rohit right now, isn't it? I don't want to be a launch, I want to be a start my Hadoop. Means already start machine node, we already done that, but I want to be start my inside of your Hadoop. Then over here bin, I want to start from over here, isn't it? Because your DFS means distribution file system, and second is your yarn is present inside of this folder. Okay, now let me close it, and I want to be change my directory means I want to be change my folder. Okay, so how I can do? You need to be write CD's full form is change directory. Okay, then use over here space, and after put over here hyphen means what happen, it will be directly navigating into the C drive. Okay, so see right now I went to the C drive. Are you getting that? Okay, now when you done that, we need to be a put over here CD means again I want to be changed to the directory. I want to go inside of my Hadoop right now. Okay, hit enter button. Now scroll down, you can see right now I am C drive inside of my Hadoop. Now again you need to go inside of your inside of your S bin, right? So put over here CD and after S bin. Okay, let me check once again. CD then Hadoop, and after later where we need to go inside of your sbin. Okay, let me hit enter button. Okay, so you can see over here right now I'm C drive Hadoop inside of my sbin folder. When you reach over here inside of the sbin, we will be starting your distribution file system. So how we can start? We need to be a